Uh, Good afternoon, good evening, depending your time zone. This is Smart Trade Academy Fundamental. So I want to um, analyze XAUUSD and JPY. I mean DSY. So I will start with DSY. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe, and watch this video to the end. If you watch this video to the end, comment and tell me the last word I mentioned on this video. Then you will have a prize. The 10 people that will sell the last word I mentioned on this video will win a prize. Yes, they're going to win a prize. Just watch this video to the end. Let's go to the business of the day. Like last week, if you watch my last week analyze on dollar, which is DSY. DSY is dollar. Because for those of you who are new in forex trade, some of you don't know the meaning of DSY. When you hear DSY, just know that it's dollar index. You can call it dollar index. So I told you guys last week that dollar is going to buy, and as you can see, I said it. So once dollar respected this area and it did not break this ISIS, that dollar is going to buy. But I expected dollar to start buying on that Monday. Maybe it can reach you on Monday and start correction before NFP. But dollar did not do that. Dollar continues selling. Dollar start from here and come down, respect that ISIS and move up again. So by next week, what we expect dollar to do is this. You can see in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame, dollar have buy complete 8 hours and they start another 4 hours before market close on Friday. This is what I expect dollar to do. Dollar is going to jump. Yeah, I expect dollar to come here or break this ISIS so that moving average 14, which is here 14, 21 and 50 will cross each other, because as now only moving average 14 and 21 have crossed each other, but 50 have not yet crossed. So dollar is going to cross 50 before we can look for correction for sell. This does not mean that dollar is selling. Dollar still a bullish movement, but dollar have to respect here. Dollar have to respect here before we can look for a good movement. It's not even a good movement, a correction, so that dollar can continue. Let me switch to 1 day time frame. This is what dollar did. You can see this is just a 1 day candle, started from here. When dollar opened market on Friday, dollar went down, deeply down, and break this ISIS and start selling. And start buying and reach here. So by next week, we expect dollar to break this ISIS. We expect dollar to come up here. Yeah. At least we expect dollar to break 105.41 or even more. This is my expectation next week, so that dollar can form a fully bullish movement. Because I told you guys last week, if you can remember, that the selling on dollar is correction on 1 week time frame. If you watch that video, that analyze, I told you guys that the selling of dollar is 1 week time frame movement, 1 week time frame crossing, and now the correction have stopped. Dollar have to continue the bullish, And I mentioned last week that dollar have oversold. Dollar have oversold and it's going to form a buy movement, and it's going to be a very big movement. As you can see, it's a very big movement. So let's check on 15 a minute. You can see on a minute time frame, dollar still a bullish movement. It have not yet complete the movement, so it have to complete that movement, then we can get a correction for that sell and have another entry for big down for big up trade. Let's go to Xauusd, which is good. This is good. Gold have complete the movement on 1 hour, 30 minutes, and even of 4 hours. It have complete, at least after crossing, it have sell complete another 4 hour, another 8 hours downside before market close. But if you watch dollar, let me show you dollar. You can see that dollar in 4 hours it didn't do such thing. So this is expectation of Xauusd. Xauusd will continue the sell side. Either market open with jump. Xauusd is supposed to break this ISIS, which is at least Xauusd is supposed to break 22.75. Supposed to touch 22.75, then we can get a correction. If Xauusd did not touch 22.75 or break it on Monday, there is no room for correction. Yes, there is no room for correction. But if you go for on 15 minutes time frame, it have formed a buy trade. Look at it here. And here it have touched my 22, which is a buy. It have touched 22 and break this moving average 35. I mean 34. And if you switch for 5 minutes, I mean a minute time frame, you see that this dollar moving average 14, 21, and 50 have crossed each other in 15 in one a minute time frame. This to tell you that by a Monday, gold will do correction, gold will buy. But this is not a big movement, it's a correction. Just take it a simple correction. Understand this. It cannot buy up to 20 pips. Highest it can buy 15 pips. Sell will continue. Let me go for 1 hour time frame. I told you guys by last week that gold have to break 15 and 12. Then if gold break 12, you are going to see gold at 2305/2395. If you go to that video, you will see it. Now gold have break that ISIS. This is what I expect gold. This is a very long candle that form here. This 15 moving average 14, 21, and 50 have we already in short is have already confirmed that it have crossed in 1 year time frame. Then for this thing to happen on Monday, still remain bullish. Yes, because it cannot cross only one candle and start doing correction. This is what is going to happen. When market will open, you will see market will go up something like this. It will go something like 23.11 or 23.10. You can see market will push down. It have to break this Bollinger Band, which is this Bollinger Band is at point of 2280. It's supposed to break that 2280. And as it cross like this, as a normal crossing, gold supposed to sell at least 3 to 4 days. 3 to 4 candles supposed to be a complete uh bullish candle. It's supposed to be a bullish candle, not bullish. It's supposed to be a bullish candle. 3 to 4 days, like here. Look at here. If you check here, you see this is the crossing I am talking about. Let's gold was crossed here. You see it went here, 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 almost 5 days before you see this downside. This is a downside. From here, to here, a start correction. It went down here and went up again here and went down and respect here again, then start going up again. This is what gold supposed to do. If it is a normal cross, this you cannot cross one candle and start correction. It's supposed to cross at least as the candle is big. Highest we are going to experience, the candle that we are going to see now cannot be big like Friday candle. It will be a small candle, but at least it's supposed to sell another 3 days before going up for correction. After you go up for correction, we can see a big downside again. That is what we expect on gold. Yes, that's what we expect. Gold on Monday, either gold jump down to respect 2275 or 2270, then we can look for correction. That is open candle. I will still teach you people how to open candle, how it works, how you can determine the movement of thread in a day time frame without even reading chart. Just 1 day time frame. When you went to 1 day time frame, you look at it, see what is happening there, know what the candle will be. So my next video, I'm going to drop a very good strategy, a very powerful strategy. That strategy is only work for boom and crash. Is for synthetic index, boom and crash. This strategy, you use it only 2 minutes. Two minutes you enter trade, you exist. 2 minutes you enter trade, you exist and take your profit. I'm going to drop the strategy. If you want me to drop the strategy, comment on the comment section, say that I'm interested about the strategy, and the five people that do this comment about this strategy and watch this video to the end, we get a bonus. Yes, they're going to get a bonus. So on that next video, I will talk more about how to take profit on former video I make. I will tell you guys the next indicator that you are going to add in that strategy that will be giving you a step or a position to take your profit. Some people just enter trade, they don't know where to take profit, and they don't know strong buy and strong sell. They don't know when to close their trade. They just trade blindly. So I'm going to drop it in the next video.